Hello everyone, welcome to Happiness on Reels. This is your host Nishu. Today I'm going to show you how to make dhokla in electric kettle using steaming rack and plastic bowl. To make dhokla we need 1 cup of besan, half teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon sugar, a pinch of turmeric powder, and we need to pour little bit of water and make a smooth batter. We have to add little water and make the batter. The batter should be smooth without any lumps, as you can see here. Once the batter is ready, please keep it aside. Now turn on the kettle and add 1 glass of water. Put the steaming rack inside and close the lid. Heat the kettle for 5 minutes. Now add Eno in the batter and mix well. Mix the batter well. Now grease the bowl with the help of oil and add the batter in the bowl. Now place the bowl in the kettle and close the lid. Put the temperature to maximum and cook for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, turn off the kettle and check whether the dhokla is cooked or not. You can check with the help of a toothpick or a knife. If it is cooked, then take out the bowl and let it cool for some time. Once the bowl is cooled down, you can just take out the dhokla in a plate. You can see the dhokla is made perfect. And now you can just cut the dhokla in pieces. Here you can see how spongy the dhokla is made. Now let's make the tadka for the dhokla. Add 1 teaspoon oil. Once the oil is heated, add 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, 2 to 3 green chilies, coriander leaves, or if you have curry leaves then add it. Now add half cup of water, 1 teaspoon sugar, half teaspoon salt, and squeeze half lemon. Now pour the tadka on every piece of the dhokla. It will enhance the flavor of the dhokla. So the yummy dhokla is made in the electric kettle. You must try this recipe if you have this kettle. And thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Do subscribe my channel and please share in your comments whether you like this recipe or not. Stay tuned.